Welcome campers to our outdoor camp.
Why do you guys think this was a good idea to do this camp?
Well, your parents said that you guys play too much video games and need to do more stuff outside instead of sitting inside all of the time.
So this was your idea to get us outside more?
Yes, Viley. We'll tell you how we got the idea. Alright guys. My idea of getting Toad and his friends outside more is to make our own camp focusing on the great outdoors.
Perfect idea, sis. That way, those 9 can get outside more. Well then, we better get to work setting it up.
Alright, we're ready. Now to send the letters to the parents. Because we're
gonna start our own camp.
Fine, we'll be part of your silly baby camp.
Good. Here's Camp Director Lil'Petey. Good morning, campers. I'm Camp Director Lil'Petey. I help out your camp teachers on the activities for the camp.
And we're camp teachers Unikitty and Puppycorn. Now it's time for the first activity.
You guys will first build your tents. You'll be in groups of 3. You may now start.
This is so hard that it's lame.
Well, if you all need help, we'll come and help you.
No way. Absolutely not. We'll destroy the tents.
That's strike 1 for destroying the tents. Alright, now it's time for swimming.
Maybe this is free swimming since it's the first day.
Nope, this is learnable swimming. Free swimming comes later.
Well, that's just great.
Alright everyone, go inside to change into your swimsuits.
We actually purposely left them at home.
Are you kidding me? Those are on your camping lists.
We instead decided to do this.
Eek, that's cold. That's not funny. How dare you all splashed water all over me and purposely forgot your bathing suits. That's strike 2. 1 more and you all in trouble. So be careful.
Now it's time for nature hunt.
No way, we're not doing a nature hunt.
But it's part of our schedule.
Well, we're not doing a lame game. We want to go home. Take us home now, you good-for-nothing losers.
That's it. We had enough.
This camp is being dismissed early. We are calling all of your parents right now.
After all the troublemakers got sent home and grounded. Hey, you 3, how did your camp go?
Terrible. The 9 couldn't stop misbehaving. We decided to close down the camp.
I do apologize for that. You guys can go if you want.
Let's keep the camp hats in case we want to open the camp again. In the meantime, let's go swimming in the pool to take our minds off of the camp. You know, sis, even though the camp became a huge flop, that idea was pretty cool.
It was indeed a cool idea, Lil Bro.